So here with us today we have Jayalakshmi Madam with us, who have been a celebrity Kannada film industry. She has been acting in many movies. She has been acting in many serials, and she has been a face of the industry for a time being. And she has been a good dancer all through. And now she has decided she is going to join politics, and she is going to serve the people. And she has decided to move along with the footsteps of Dr. Nohera Sheikh and join her in her vision to achieve justice for humanity, what they say. And so here we have Madam with us. So today the press conference was arranged to introduce Jayalakshmi Madam. So she is with her today. So can you please tell about MEP party and all, what you think about the party?
See, MEP party is All India Mahila Empowerment Party. See, it got the tagline is Justice for Humanity. Such a beautiful line. You know, nowadays, that too in politics, there is no humanity. So she wanted to get back that humanity in the society. In that tagline she got. And I would like to talk about Dr. Navera Sheikh. She's basically not from Karnataka, but she has started her career in politics in this Karnataka. So she's not only been India daughter, she's been a world daughter. That much I can tell, because she's doing a lot of social work all over world, including our country also. She's very kind-hearted social worker. So she has started this party called MEP. So for the first time, I'm joining into the full-fledged political life. So today I have joined her party as a she has given as a Karnataka leader. In that way, she has nominated me now. And this 2018, another 1 month is there for Vidhan Sabha Karnataka election. So our MEP party also going to contest in 224. So I'm also one of the candidate from the MEP party. So she has given more prominence and support for all the ladies. And not only she's been a Muslim, she has been supporting for all kind of community in the society. She is not belongs to only that Muslim thing. See, I would like to tell you, in this party, almost 80% people are Hindus only from other community. Only few people are there from Muslim, you know. So she is like, she is a big Didi for Karnataka. So what I can say. So
Being a newcomer, you talked about you have said about a lot about you have said a lot about MEP party, and we never expected that you have this much information about this. We hope that you have done a lot of research in this. So now coming forward, I won't ask you much about politics, much about MEP. I think you have given very much information about that. I would like to ask you, like during your film career and during the time being you have been through the industry life, Kannada industry, what are the things that you have done towards the humanity which have benefited in Karnataka for the poor people, and what are the things like as a social being you have done to the poor?
yeah, okay. So I'm coming from. I'm not from Bangalore. I'm coming from interior village called Sampekatte. It's situated in Shimoga district, Hosnagara Taluk in Karnataka. So I'm coming from very poor family. I know what is poverty. You know, usually like I have studied in all government schools. So where I have studied in that taluk, complete taluk, more than 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh, government is giving the food, lunch and all they give, but they don't have plates and cup. I have distributed, and I have adopted more than 18 students in my native place. I'm giving them education. My first child, she's studying in second PU. So these are all small social work I'm been doing it. And I run a mineral water factory. I have given employment to the people. So I'm doing small things, and also every day I'm been working. And I was a government employee. I was a nurse basically. I was a staff nurse. So when I was a staff nurse, I used to take care of patients like my baby. In that way, in that more than 12 years back only, I started my social work in the hospital itself. So I'm so proud about my profession because everyone will not get the opportunity to serve the patient. Especially everyone will be want to become doctor, engineer. They say now software engineer and all. But that day itself, my father chosen a profession for me. Okay, because there behind that there is one story also. My father, when he was admitted in the hospital for some operation when I was a kid, so one nurse she took him care like anything it seems. That is why we have four children for my father. So he decided one daughter I must make her nurse. So she should be helpful for other. Like I worked for 8 to 9 years, but later I could not continue my profession. Till then I have done my service. After that, leaving that hospital, and I'm into social service. So people has given me much celebrity. The thing I don't have anything in my mind. People recognize me, so people are been recognizing me. So what I can give it to the society. So in that way, I felt it. So this is the one opportunity. Why should I miss it? So that is why. So when you are doing the social work, sometimes you need political power also, right? So with that, it will be fulfill whatever I want to achieve. I want to give it to the society, so I can fulfill with this. That's what I feel. So yeah.
Thank you for being so down to earth about explaining about yourself. You have experienced what poor life is and what is the real thing at the grassroots level. You have experienced this. The Karnataka people are very happy that such a personality has joined MEP today, and we hope that she'll do good to the society and good to the people of Karnataka. And like she has been serving in the hospitals as a nurse, she'll nurse the people of Karnataka in the coming future. We wish you all the best, madam.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. We want to do wonders in the political with MEP. So, and I would like to join. I would like to say that without MEP in this Vidhan Sabha election, no, after the election, when they're going to form the government, without MEP, no government can form. That much I can tell you. You know, that much confidence we have. Madam Dr. Navera Sheikh, she has given so much confidence on me and to the Karnataka people also. We are going to show the wonders.
So in short, you want to tell that if MEP is not the winner in this election, they will be the kingmakers.
Exactly, you are right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.